What's up guys, and welcome to another video. I'm 7beats, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an afrobeat for a day. First I'm going to show you how to create the melodies, then add the drums and really zoom in on how to create some really awesome drum rolls. So let's go right into it. So we're going to create this beat in E minor and first set the BPM to 105. And we're going to start off with contact. So I'm going to use the Electric Sunburst Deluxe, it's melody one. And I'm just going to pick a really awesome preset. So I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to start off with this E. That's really fire. And I'm going to add some chords, so I'm going to use the Whirly V2. I'm just picking this mid-range stock preset. And just start off with a chord like this. And I'm just going to play around in a scale of E minor. So just duplicate this one and just play around. That's fire. So I'm gonna add swing to this one, so 25%. I'm gonna strumize this melody just a little bit. And I'm going to add something like a marimba. So I'm going to use Purity. And I'm going to use the Bell and Perk one. Marimba. This one. And just play around the velocity like this. So right now I've created this 8-bar melody and I'm going to add a saxophone sample. So I'm going to use Arcade, which is really awesome to pick one of those samples. So I found this one, set the key to E minor. So it's in the same key as the melodies. I'm gonna start off by just picking a random one, like this. That's fire. So I'm gonna turn down the velocity a little bit. So right now I'm gonna add some drums. So I'm going to use my Afro Future sample pack. I'm going to use this kick right here. And I'm also going to use my African sample pack. And I'm going to use some of these right here. This one right here. So this will be the first rhythm which I will use, this one. Maybe layer is one with another one. So I'm using this one right here, just duplicate it. Just remove the reverb. And I'm gonna add the kick pattern. Just turn up the velocity. Just add a really simple pattern like this. I'm gonna add this one right here. And I'm going to add a shaker loop from my shaker loop pack. So I'm going to use this one, just drag it in, and stretch it to the tempo of this project, like this. Fire. So right now I'm gonna add a tom. So I'm gonna add this one right here. And I'm going to create a pattern like this. Just really basic. That's really fire. Just make sure to play around the velocity of the sample right here. And maybe add some rolls. So I'm going to pick a hi-hat. So I'm using this one. I'm going to create a really fast one, so select 1/4 step right here. Like this. And I'm not going to duplicate this one, but I'm going to add an open head. Short one, normal one. This one right here. And I'm going to use this one 2 bars further. So right here. Just turn down the volume. Already this drum pattern is really bouncy. And I'm going to add that typical afrobeat reverb clap right here, this one. And I'm going to turn down one note right here. So right now I think I've already created the basic rhythm, and I'm going to add the bass line. So I'm going to use the Mini V3 and we're going to select bass right here, and I'm going to use this bass you will use, this one. I'm going to start off with this E. Really fire. So I'm gonna link this one to the mixer. I'm just selecting insert 15 and remove some of the frequencies right here, or just reduce them. So resonating frequencies. So it's way more in the background. Really fits the other elements. And maybe just turn down the key of the kick. Sounds way much better. But I'm going to add one more element to the drum pattern, and I'm going to add another tom. This will be a djembe right here. This one. And I'm going to select 1/3 step right here, because we're going to add a 1/3 rhythm. This is really fire. If you reduce the volume a little bit, just as a little detail. So I'm going to link the marimba to the mixer and add an RC20 and just select the crazy preset. This one is fire. cut out the low frequencies. And right now I'm going to add a drum roll. So I'm going to use the FPC, this one, and I'm going to select this HQ Jazz kit right here. So it contains a lot of different elements. So I'm gonna build this one step by step. So I'm gonna put the last part of the beat on repeat, this one. So right now, this is the final drum loop. Which sounds just really awesome. So the transition using the drum loop sounds like this. So I'm gonna link all my elements to the mixer, add this one to the mixer, and just reduce the low frequencies right here. So this is the creative process when it comes to creating a beat like this. And right now I'm going to create a really simple arrangement. So this is just a really simple arrangement and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to download my free sample pack. The link is in the description. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.